everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription box to my channel and it is Girluxe. This is the gorgeous packaging. Such a pretty box. So if you're new to Girluxe, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about them. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in their March box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Girluxe is a monthly beauty subscription box that is based in the UK and ships just within the UK. They offer 3 types of subscriptions. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription, which will cost you £24.99, or a 3-month subscription, which will cost you £22.50, or a 12-month subscription, which brings the cost of the box down to £11.99 a month. All subscriptions have free delivery. Inside the box you will find 7 beauty items and at least 3 of them will be full size. As well as the subscription boxes, they do offer a one-off box. It's a 5 surprise me box and that will cost you £13.99. I bought a one-off box because I wanted to try it, see what it's like. I have cancelled the subscription, but it might be a box that I will dip in and out of. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts about it, especially if you have been or are a subscriber to this box. So then we can hear more about it and hear your thoughts surrounding it. All links and everything related to the subscription I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to opening this up. It is packaged absolutely beautifully. It is gorgeous. So there's a little card here. We hope you love this month's box. Don't forget to share a picture using #Girluxe to be entered to win an extra treat in your next box. They're all hidden. You're not going to be able to see everything, but I'll go through them one by one. Okay, I've just laid them out next to me, so I'll go through them one by one. What I've noticed is that there's no card in here, so there's no extra information I can refer to. Plus, there's no like little leaflet giving maybe a theme for the month, etc. So even though beautifully packaged, I do think it misses that sort of personal touch to a subscription box, so that we can feel connected to the subscription, if that makes sense. So anyway, so the first item is a product by e.l.f. and this is a lip primer and lip plumper. So it's a 2-in-1. I love e.l.f. products. Now I've got an e.l.f. lip scrub that I received from a friend of mine, Lucy, from What Luce Does on YouTube. And it's fab. It is so good. So this'll go with the collection. Oh look, it's so tiny. And that's the other one. It just looks like concealer. Can you see there? Apologies. Oh my word, I just did another unboxing with foundation. You can see I haven't rubbed it off properly. Apply lip primer to bare lips and blend in to help hold colour onto your lips. Use lip plumper alone, on top of primer or on top of colour to achieve a natural, fuller looking lip. Okay, no, there's no way I'd use that on its own because it's like it's yellow toned. Yeah, clove and cinnamon. Smells like Christmas. Next I got a hair mask from Lee Stafford and this is Coco Loco with Argave Coconut Shine Mask, infused with coconut oil for silkier and softer hair. Great hair in a nutshell, and we've got 20 mils here. So it's a coconut hair mask. Then I've got something smelly and waxy and this is a jasmine moisturising melt. Look at that. I love things like this. And the packaging as well, it's gorgeous. Now there's some information about it here as well, and you can buy this from an Etsy shop called Smelly and Waxy. It just says this creamy and silky melt is full of nourishing shea butter and cocoa butter and will leave your skin soft and moisturised. All products are made with natural ingredients and contain no preservatives. Due to this, they will melt in hot conditions and upon contact with the skin, store in a cool place. Okay. Oh my word. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to use that in a bath. I can't wait. It's already melting in my fingers. Oh, lovely. Then we got a product by Estee Lauder, and this is Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser, and it's a purifying mask as well, and there's 30 mils here. Just noticed one of my nails has popped off. Never mind. They're the type of nails that you press on with little stickies, so they're not that great. Glue is better, you know, but yeah, they don't last that long really. I've only had them on for a couple of hours and they keep popping off, so can't find my thumbnail anywhere. Never mind. Back to the Estee Lauder products. So this is a multi-action foam cleanser purifying mask, ideal for normal to combination skins, suitable for all skin types. Yeah, and that's it really. It doesn't tell you much about it. It's a foam cleanser purifying mask. So I'm going to enjoy giving that a go, seeing what that's like. Next we've got another product by Estee Lauder. This is Pure Colour Envy and Discreet Nude. So it's like a lip gloss. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, I do like that colour. Can you see? Oh, I do really like that. Oh, it's lovely. It is pure nude. That'll just give you a slight sort of pinky nudie shade to your lips. Very subtle. But yeah, oh, I do love that. And it's got a little bit of shimmer in there as well. Yeah, I do really like that. Then I've got a little sample of perfume. This is Paco Rabanne Lady Million in Lucky. In Lucky, it's not a shade. The name is Lucky. And what's this smell like? I love Paco Rabanne. I can't remember what this one is like though. When I say I love Paco Rabanne, I love Olympia and Olympia Intense. Oh, I've got them there behind me. I love them. From what I can smell, I don't want to blast it because I am filming at night and I'm sat where my husband sleeps. So if you like going to bed, whew, stinks in here, Claire. Oh, it is nice. I do really like it, but I need to try it on my skin to see if it's actually a perfume I would actually wear. But yeah, got a little sample there. Next, we've got an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Revolution or I Heart Revolution. This is One True Love. Look. It's pretty. Got a big mirror there, and those are the shades. They're really nice. Shades there, they're pretty, aren't they? Big pans there as well. Okay, so what was that one called again? One True Love. So you've got an eyeshadow palette. And then lastly, we've got a sweet treat, and this is a chocolate bell. Choco Bell it's called. So it's a hot chocolate and marshmallows that you dip in a cup and melt away. There. I love these things. Nice big slab of chocolate there. So those are all the products inside Girluxe's March beauty subscription box. I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back in a minute. There's 8 products in all. The cost of the box is £24.99 and there's free shipping. I think it's nice. I do think it's nice. I can't remember what I paid for mine. I think I got mine for £15, so I had £10 off. Managed to get a code somewhere, I think. So definitely for £15, I think this is fab. I think I've got a right bargain here. But if I'd paid full price £24.99, I do think it's still a nice box. Trying to think of all the other boxes that I receive that is around £25. I can't think now. There's a few out there. The only thing, if I'm being critical, as it's the first box I've unboxed, is, as I said, it'd be nice to have some form of note in there. Maybe a little printout of the actual products in the box and a little bit about them. But also, what I found a bit strange is that we have got products from Estee Lauder and also I Heart Revolution. Estee Lauder skincare products are generally for the older lady. Now, I don't mean to discriminate whatsoever. I'm talking a brand that my daughter wouldn't really opt for unless it was their makeup then, you know? Like Double Wear or whatever. My daughter's nearly 15. This is a brand that is targeted for the younger ones then, like my daughter's age upwards. I use products from I Heart Revolution and I'm in my 40s. It's got nothing to do with like I should only stick to products suitable for my age or whatever. No, I'm not saying that at all. But I just find it a little bit odd that we've got two extremes here. But yeah, but other than that, I do think it's a nice box. And as always, I want to hear your thoughts about it, especially if you have been a subscriber or you still are a subscriber. I'd love to hear your experiences. So yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.